This is a fit for a 2015 through 2018 and likely beyond Subaru Outback Wagon with factory installed side rails with the factory crossbars removed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Yakima JetStream SkyLine base roof rack system. This system is using the JetStream load bars in black, 50 inches in length, the SkyLine Towers, which connect to the landing pad 15s, which are fitted to the factory connection points on the side rails. Here on this 2017 to 2018 and beyond model, the crossbars are positioned at 30.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Spacing on the 2015 and 16 model are 29.5 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, pricing, and our promotions.